In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and format Power BI waterfall chart. Start by opening Microsoft Power BI Desktop. Once it loads, open the report file you want to work with. If you're starting from scratch, make sure your data is already loaded into the model. Waterfall charts work best when you have a categorical field, like month, region, or account, and a numeric field, such as revenue, expense, or variance. On the right side of your screen, look for the Visualizations pane. If you don't see it, enable it from the View tab so it's easier to follow along. This pane is where you'll add and configure your visuals. Click the waterfall chart icon to place a blank visual on the canvas. Resize it so you have room to see the bars clearly. With the visual selected, you'll notice options appear for building the chart. Go to the Data area within the Visualizations pane. Here's where you'll tell Power BI what to plot. Drag your main numeric field into the y-axis well. This is the value that goes up or down across the chart. Next, drag your categorical field into category. That could be time periods, product lines, or any grouping that orders the bars. If you want to see how subcomponents contribute within each step, drag a field into breakdown. Power BI will split the bars to show the parts that increase and decrease. Give the chart a quick check. Confirm the order makes sense, and use the built-in sort options on the visual header if you need chronological or custom ordering. If your dataset includes starting or ending balances, you can mark those bars as totals using the Set as Total option on the Data Point menu so they appear as solid columns. While the visual is still selected, use the formatting controls in the same pane to polish the look. Turn on data labels for immediate readability, and choose display units that fit your scale. Adjust colors for increase, decrease, and total to align with your report theme, and consider enabling the connector lines for a clearer flow from one bar to the next. You can also update the title, add a helpful subtitle, and refine the background and border for contrast. When everything looks right, interact with the chart to confirm it responds to filters and slicers as expected, then save your report. That's all you need to create a clear, insightful waterfall chart in Power BI, ready to explain changes from start to finish.